Okay, let's see. What do we do today? Ultimate spreading poison cloud. Oh, we wanted to work on the poison cloud. Okay, let's see. Poison cloud. Let's see. What does it take? It does poison damage. Cakez not finishing game before he dies. No, I think I will finish my game before he dies. The important part is, the very, very important part that you might not see is the following. I'm still working on the game. You know, do you have ups and downs during development? Yes. But I'm still working on it. I think this is not enough damage, but we'll have to see. We have poison damage, and I think we need another start that is area. AoE is dead. Stronghold music, Pog, yes. My bad. Yes, sir. Stat AoE, I don't know, let's say 40? I have no idea, man. Let's see. The ice trap. Let's try to use the ice trap. Ice imbue. Ice trap. Try to find that. Ice shot, ice trap, cold damage, and it has an AoE. What does AoE do? Oh, 32, okay. Alright. Not sure why you're opening this. It's totally unheard of, but okay. I think it should be 64 for now. I love this song. This is one of my favorite songs. Poison damage next level. And then we do AoE. And AoE next level. Awesome. Now we need to change the description from this. Texts. Poison cloud. We are slowly but surely making or implementing all of the abilities. Creates a temporary poisonous cloud that deals poison damage. To all enemies in the area. I love this about C++, you know. This is so easy to edit. And then, let's see, we have, where's the area? Cold damage, AoE, there we go. This is poison damage. Nice. Cakez. Hand rubs always makes me grin. I do the same about mine always turns into a clap, lol. You mean this? Yeah, I like that too. It's like some sort of energy release when you're happy. Okay, let's take a look at the updated Poison Cloud description. Did the game like stop or something? Huh? Interesting. Did I like put a breakpoint there? Poison Cloud creates a temporary poisonous cloud that deals poison damage to all enemies in the area. Poison damage 30 to 40, AoE 64 to 64. Okay, now I'm pretty sure we still have to implement this. Let's turn this into a root node and then unroot some of the other nodes that already work. So restart. I think the checkmark should be here, right? Shouldn't the checkmark be to the left? Poison Cloud. It has a 20-second cooldown and a 9-second duration. Alright. Let's do it like this. I think it takes too long. Look at this image. Oh my god. That's my Poison Cloud. Ship it. Yeah, I changed the renderer, you know, from Vulkan to OpenGL. This is the result. Oh my goodness. Holy lul. Alright, and they don't take damage, of course. PNG Cloud. Alright, now how do I F11, I guess? I need to put it to the left so we can see the result. We can edit this, right? Let's put myself to the left. Looks poisonous? It definitely does, yeah. I hate searching with this Poison Cloud. The real boo, hello there. Trying to find something in this ginormous function of active abilities. Stats. Okay, this is the important part. We need those to get poison damage. Excuse me. Oh. It deals AoE damage based on, yeah, the ability stats. Wrong. It should deal based on stats. That's number one. And this is where we draw. Yikes. My man! Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for subscribing, bro. I really appreciate the support, man. Thank you. Very generous of you. Are you building a new game? No, I'm building a tower defense game. I guess a new game that, yeah, doesn't exist on the market, yes. I'm building a tower defense game that is heavily inspired by Bloons, Plants vs. Zombies, Vampire Survivors, yeah, stuff like that. And ARPGs, skill systems, skill trees. And I'm trying to make it cool and give you a bunch of options while not overwhelming you. That's what we are trying to do, and we are currently working on an ability called Poison Cloud. And I wonder if it's options. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you, man. Alex, thank you so much for the support, bro. And thank you very much, Half a Heart, for following, man. Do you have coffee? I did have coffee, yes. Already, before the stream. How much did you already spend on it in terms of time? About 2.5 years. 2.5 years of time. And 1 year was spent on learning Vulkan and making a game in Vulkan. Basically the first year was mostly Vulkan and learning basic engine stuff. How to do UI, how to draw font, how to learn pixel art. Basically, I drew all of the pixel art pieces myself. No! Shit. Okay. Why? It does have render options. See that? So I'm pretty sure we can just do .render options. Oh, I see. It's complaining, yeah? Why are you complaining? Huh? Are you stupid? Is it options? Ah, it's called options. Okay. I wonder if I can do transparent. Does it work? If it works, it will immediately show. Don't think that works. Doesn't look like it did anything. Holy shit. Mr. Amida, thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you very much for the generosity. You are too generous, my man. And the real Boo, thank you very much for following. Amazing. Well, I will be watching a stream from now on. Oh, man. Thank you. Additive blending doesn't do anything either. Wait, that's the bubbles. Wait, it's the bubbles. I'm stupid. The cloud is here. I'm an idiot. I don't need to do that on the bubbles. I need to draw this. Yeah. Oh, it's the rendering options here. Wait a minute. Eh? Transparent. Let's try with transparent first. Oh wow, it doesn't it doesn't look bad at all. Lol. I wonder if additive blending is even better. Lol. Oh, it does. Look at that. What do you guys think? It already works. Let him use it. Come on, use it. Holy shit, they got one shot. They got one shot. What the fuck? What happened? I think the poison cloud is a little too powerful. What happened, man? First try. I think it does AoE damage every frame, which is why it's OP. He made the engine? Yeah, I made the engine myself. Yeah. Instant death poison. It's a little bit too OP. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. Goodness. Okay, I'm trying to find the latest ability that I implemented, which was the fire stuff. It's called, I think... Oh, it's a damaging area, right. Maybe Rain of Arrows. Let's try Rain of Arrows. Ice Wave, Ice Trap. Oh, Ice Trap could work. We have Radius. We need that too. Draw the effect, yeah. Healing Circle, Poison Cloud, there we go. So we definitely need the Radius here. But maybe I should just get Get AoE radius. Stats. Get ability. Aha. Okay. That works. Reign of errors. How about we set this to 0.6, make it a little bit more visible. And then what I want to do is poison cloud that is for me is green, and then poison cloud that is from the enemy is red. Because I don't have, or we change the color here, the bubble color a little bit, because this is more like yellow. Maybe I make the bubble color from the poison cloud a little bit more like different. I have to have different indicators because some will use poison cloud, some enemies. AoE radius, there we go. Where's the AoE radius coming from? We need to get rid of this. Oh, I see. We already used the AoE radius. Okay. We don't need the radius. And then I guess we don't need that here either. What is this? Ah, I see. Shit is the verb. You never know when someone puts their nuts into your food. When someone puts these nuts into your food. That's what you have to say. Alright, it looks like, where's the damage? Deal AoE damage here. Poison DPS. Yeah. It should be stats. Get poison DPS. Poison damage. I'm pretty sure I have to multiply that by delta time though. Otherwise, it deals too much damage. And I think I want to do a tick count here as well. The poison cloud ticks. Right now it's probably doing like small dot damage. Alright, let's see. F11 should be full screen. I need to go be right back real quick. When are you switching to Unity? We're gonna make a game in Unity at some point. Can you import a Unity game in a website? Yes, you can export the Unity game to a website, then you can upload it as far as I know. Why is the idea on a campfire? Cause it's cool. It is a community creation by Ninx. I put it in the game. It's too OP. I don't know what happens, but they die instantly. It deals so much damage. Seems like they get... Holy shit. How much is the poison DPS on this? Goodness. Even the boss is dying immediately, right? 0.4. Huh. Okay. What happens here? Mem copy, of course. Yeah. Mem copy happens all the time. It deals damage to the enemy. Yeah. Deals AoE damage. Over here. Circle collision. Okay. And then it attacks. Ah, I see. I see what it is. What we need to do is, where's the poison damage here? Over here, this is using, yeah, if we take a look at, oh, I hate this mem copy, right? It's so annoying. Every time it goes into this ASM file. Essentially, let's find, there's no physical, actually it does physical damage? Oh, I see. Huh. I see now. We are not supposed to take the physical damage into account here. So this is a special case. But let's continue. F10. It does physical. This is where it is probably failing. It does 24 physical damage every frame. If we run at 60 frames per second, that is 24 times 60 damage. 1 every second. We don't have fire damage. We have cold damage as well. I see. Lighting damage. And then we have poison damage here. Which is 30. Yeah. And then in total, we deal 62 damage every frame. Alright, let me see. Damaging area. How do I do that on the damaging area? Damaging areas. I have 1. Animation time, animated sprite, tick rate. There we go. Here we have the tick rate. I think I want to create a damaging area that is completely offset from the duration. Then we can just do a tick rate and give it a .dps. Yeah. I think that's the best way to do it. So these damaging areas are basically just pools of AoE, round circuits of AoE that last for a duration, and they tick every 0.5 seconds, for example, and then they deal damage based on how much damage they do. And I think they... Damage types, let me find that. Aha, so I have to specify which ability deals what type of damage. So, for example, damage types on ability Poison Cloud obviously deals poison damage. There we go. Oh, we could already initialize it like this, right? This works. Whoops, what did I do here? We can do the same thing. And then we only do this code once. Cakez, do you maybe smell something? What do you mean? No, I don't. Alright, let's make this happen real quickly. Poison Cloud. We don't do this. We get the poison DPS. Let's mark this as A. Let me think. The other one was Burning Arrow. Yeah. Burning Arrow, target stat, no. Is it Burning Arrow? Projectile. Let me find that. There we go. Okay, we need to generate one of these nuts. But how are they drawn? Transparently. I wonder if I can give it options on how to draw the damaging area. Give it rendering options. I think that's better. Now I have control on how they are drawn. Let's figure... wait. Over here. I want this to be transparent, for example. Yeah. Okay. And then for the poison cloud, we want to create a damaging area. I see. So what we do here is if the active ability is not triggered. If it's not triggered, then I want to trigger it by creating a damaging area. Oh no. Owner ID is active ability dot owner ID, yeah, and the ability active ability dot ability ID. Target components. And the origin is the target location. Yeah, the radius is AoE radius. And the sprite ID in this case is the poison cloud. And then for rendering options, we wanna do filtering and additive blending. And then we just have the .dps, which we get. Oh, we also need a tick rate, right? What is the default tick rate of damaging areas? How many times a second do you tick? 0.5. Okay. So if I get the poison damage here, let's see, poison damage. Poison DPS, would we get poison damage from the stats? And then I multiply that by the tick rate. So float tick rate is 0.5 F, multiply that by the tick rate. Or, like, what does it take in? Is it actually the damage or the DPS? Let's see. If time greater than tick rate, DPS, damage per second. Okay, that's fine. So I know now. Which means over here, we don't want to multiply this by the tick rate at all. This is the poison damage, and then we treat that as DPS. So basically, we can't see it right now. In the description of the poison cloud, it will give us a full duration damage for the poison, I think. And then we multiply that. I'll have to think about it, but we're almost done. .dps would be the poison DPS. And then the .tick rate is tick rate. Good. Ability duration seems fine. Cool, we have the damaging area. And then we don't need to deal AoE damage anymore. What is this? What is this? This can go away. I really like, apart from the scrolling issue in this editor, because sometimes the mouse scroll doesn't work, I really like the colored braces. They really help a lot. And then draw the bubbles. Draw the bubbles. And then for the sprite... Oh, I see. AoE radius times 1.2. I see. But we'll have to see. If it looks like shit or not. Also, it does the cloud color here. Can I put that to the damaging area as well? It doesn't have a material. Which means I probably want to add a material to it. But where? I guess here. Cloud color. Does the cloud color change over time? No, it does not. Cakes, the chat has died off, I know, but I'm focusing right now. It's called flow mode, okay, bro? There's two options. Okay, there's two options. I'm gonna say this once. One, I never program on stream again. Two, I have these sections, okay? Okay, brother? There is no programming and entertaining chat at the same time. If you want to get something done and programming, there's no way that you can do that, okay? I've done this for 2 years. I know what I'm talking about. Let's see. Has components. Oh yeah, with the range indicator. Let's get rid of this for now. See how it looks. Alright, have to restart the game for this. Just make some errors so we can flame harder. No, I'm just good at programming, you know. That's why I don't make errors. Walks in. Hey, Poppy the Doggo Bar, man. Good morning, bro. Oh my god, it's almost you have to code to get something done. Yeah, right? It's almost like... Someone at the door? I mean, they're gonna ring again if it's important. That's just how it is, you know. In order to program efficiently, you have to concentrate and focus on something. You can't do both. All right, let's see. Give me the poison cloud. Let's see how it looks. Okay, it looks like it's pausing on an exception here. It's just a breakpoint, okay. Come on, use the ability. Okay, they do take damage. I think. Or not. Let's try this again. Okay, so it does create this. I wonder why. Interesting. Draw animated sprite. Draw animated sprite? Okay. Oh, I see. Oh wow, it adds in a bunch of damaging area. That's bad. Now it's triggered. What the fuck, help that deer? Hello, Poppy. Picks up a piece of bone of a skeleton. What? Bros? Water? That's the one like Bloons City 6? Yes, exactly. I'm trying to make a game like Bloons, and this is like the biggest trademark of Bloons, this level. So I decided to make that my thumbnail and the first level that I use, so people know exactly, oh, this guy's making a tower defense game. Mm-hmm. I'm a fucking stupid idiot, man. I'm a stupid dumbass. You know what I forgot? I forgot to add the damaging area to the areas. Okay, now it works. The next time he's using a poison cloud. Come on, bro. I guess I have to restart. There we go. Okay, let's see how it looks. Please stop, bro. Can you stop? Oh, wow. Okay, it ticks quite fast. Okay. Let's redo this. Now we have to work on, obviously, the color and everything from the poison cloud, because it really looks bad, right? Yeah. First and foremost, the radius here looks really bad. The bubbles are spread all over the place. So guys, I have a question for you. In games, typically, right? I think we did that already on Reign of Eros. If an ability says area, AoE, you see that at the bottom here? You see this? AoE, 64. Does the AoE mean diameter? Or is it, what is it? Is it diameter? Or is it a radius? So you multiply that by 2. I think it is 64. It's radius. AoE is radius. In games. The cloud looks dog shit, man. Why is it so small? Like Chad's penis. Don't understand. AoE is just area of damage, yeah. In PoE, AoE is the area. Yeah, but what does that mean? To the area? Okay. I'm asking this, by the way. But this is my question. Let's see here. If I have a circle, right? This is a circle. And I'm asking if AoE is this part or this part. How about we turn it green and then you guys can see it better. Is AoE this part right here? Or this? Which one of the two? The entire diameter? No. Area of effect? I think so too, yeah. Same here. I think it makes more sense to have something like creates an AoE poison puddle with a 32-meter radius. Will you have something like half a circle cone or so? No, I will only have circles in the game. How do you malloc in your app? Like this? Radius, because area is p times radius to the power of 2. Ran away from scary monsters. Hey Poppy, thank you very much for tuning in. I appreciate it, bro. You have a good day. Okay, we're gonna, let's say it is radius, okay? I think I know why the size of this thing is so small. I need to specify the radius, the AoE radius here. Yeah, DA radius. There we go. This one. Does Poppy get offended every time you call something dog shit, Cakes? I don't know. That would be so funny. Oh my god, okay. Poppy, do you? Awesome. Mm-hmm. Thank you very much for following, bro. Space Drifter. Thank you. Okay, now I quickly implemented a new function. Draw animated sprite. This will allow me to draw sprite. Did I build? This will allow me to draw sprites with a certain size and animate them over time. This interface will allow me to draw this sprite. Hopefully in the correct size. Hopefully it's not dumb. Hopefully that works. Hopefully it does. And hopefully it doesn't break anything. By the way, are we adding clips to that? I have a feeling we have a lot of Neo Rage moments that deserve a place in this. Oh, I would love to do that, 100%. I'm just so focusing on YouTube clips at the moment, you know. The radius of the warp hole became 0 while Cakez is struggling his radius. What does an inline brace do there? Make a tuple? This one here, or does make that this? Oops! Wow, whoopsie. This makes a vector too. Looks kind of bad. Also, oh my god, they all take damage. And it ticks too fast. And the damaging area doesn't use the radius. Because it doesn't. Yep. Still doesn't use the area here. I thought I did. Shouldn't it use this? I'm confused. It does, yeah. What is the size here? 64 by 64. Confused. I'm confused. Maybe I have to restart. Let's restart. So a shorthand notation, is that a standard feature or newly added by you? This is something that has been there, like I think forever in C++ and C. You brace initialize something and it tries to find a structure that it works with. Do you have any recommendations for resources to learn concepts like window rendering in game development? I'm interested in learning and building something like your framework or my own game engine, but struggling to find useful resources. Yeah, I have one over here. I made an entire video series about making a game in C++, a Celeste clone. It is not perfect, I have to say, and you will probably get further with Raylib. So I might do a Raylib tutorial, like one recording Raylib tutorial in the future, but if you wanna do exactly what I do, this is it. Cakes, you asked for more rage moments. I never asked for rage moments. That's a PoE guide. Oh! I'm sorry. It's this one right here. It's the engine. I'm sorry, bro. Yeah, I mean, you can follow that too, you know? Lightning Arrow, Deadeye, Leaker, Starter, that's not bad too. If you want to play some Path of Exile, brother. Oh man, that's great. Whoops. Come on, man. Draw it properly, please. What are you doing? Why is the fucking bubble so small? Are you stupid? Oh. Okay, at least it works. Huh. Okay. All right. So it does work. Eh? Fight the poison cloud! Oh, it's in the wrong fucking file. I'm sorry. Sorry. Wait, if it's damaging area radius times 2, then this should be radius times 2. There we go. Cakes, why are you fighting final boss on level 1? It is a listen, brother, it is just testing the game, bro. Please try Love 2D. Love 2D? What is this? Is this another 2D framework to make games in C++? That is interesting. Okay. Aha! We have it. This is the poison cloud. Cool. Now, listen. We are almost there. Sorry. Excuse me. We make the bubbles a little bit further inside the radius. Make them spawn there. Good. Excuse me. Fuck. Almost died. Love it. Love it. The poison cloud should have color now. Yeah. It works. Bloop. The AoE. Now the AoE radius, like, yeah. That's a bit odd. I feel like that's a bit too high, isn't it? So how do we do that? I guess it's trying to check if it's colliding, right? We have circle collision here. Yeah, I think it doesn't work very well yet. So here's a question I have. Thank you very much for following. How would you guys do this? Listen, I have an AoE radius, right? Let's make this again. Let's say I have an ability, right? Let's make this red. This is my... Or let's make this green, right? This is my poison circle, okay? And let's fill that with like a lighter green. This is the poison circle, okay? And now I have an enemy that looks something like this. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Very funny. Listen. Very important question. So, let's say this is an enemy, right? I'm trying my best here to make him walk. He's walking in this direction, right? In this general direction. So his box, since this is since this is a 2D game, he has a collision box that looks like this. Okay. This is his collision box. Okay, collision. Box. Okay. Now the question is, should he take damage or not? That's the question. Why do I ask that question? Because it does look a little bit weird, right? In my opinion, in my humble opinion, there should be a collider here at the bottom that is tracking his position. And this should check for collision. This one should do it. This. Yeah, right? So, now I have another question for you. If I make an explosion, should it do the same thing for an explosion? It would feel bad if he didn't take damage. You clearly see the cloud touching him. And that feels ass. Go for the yellow. Yeah, but if you're thinking in terms of 3D Christ, the cloud is clearly not touching him. But I see what you mean. In a 2D sense, it is touching him. What about really tall enemies? I mean, we have a really tall enemy here, right? Let me show you. You see how this guy right here at the bottom gets hit? Even those guys here get hit. This guy gets hit. I think the radius is still a little bit fucked. Break down to 3D collision boxes. Hand midsection legs. Would make sense only in a platformer game? So I think we should only make the feet be, or the bottom part of the enemy be checking for collision boxes. We make a circle around where they stand for that AoE stuff. And then for arrows and stuff, we use the rectangular collision box. Make the AoE really small and force it to only land on the pathway. That's what they do in Bloons, I think. Yeah, but the collision is still a question. For example, no, Bloons TD is top down, so it makes more sense there. We can take a look at Bloons at this, for example. Unfortunately, not for example. Unfortunately, Bloons doesn't work here, the example, because Bloons is purely top down. This is top down, but different. It's like a 45-degree angle top down, somewhat. It's like Stardew Valley top down. But Stardew Valley doesn't have much in terms of chop up. Stardew Valley doesn't have much in terms of collision detection and when it comes to this stuff. It's the same, just different sprites. No, it's not. It is definitely not. It is a different feel. Holy shit, how many get hit by this poison cloud? Look at this. You see how all of them get hit? I think this doesn't feel right. If I have to be honest here. Think about it. This guy gets hit already. Even in Bloons, they have smaller collision boxes than the whole character. No, maybe that could be it. No, damage on head will look like incorrect. Yeah, I think it's incorrect for the damage on the head here. I think we have to take this position here, the bottom position. Place a poison cloud such that it covers only their heads and see how that feels. I can't place the poison cloud myself. Also, I'm a bit confused that the poison cloud is here. Shouldn't it be like here? On the pathway? Interesting. Yo, what's everyone? What's up, everyone? It's me. Hello there, PZF. Good morning on YouTube. Okay, I guess I'll have to think about it. I don't know yet. Yeah, I don't know. Man, the poison cloud really goes big dick. Come on, bro. Place one. Place one. Boom, 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 boom. I like it. Okay, well, I don't know yet. I think it makes more sense to do the yellow stuff for this type of stuff. Yo, that game trash, just play back. Mongo is fun. Shut the fuck up, you little bitch. Okay, that's my game. Fuck you. Eat a dick. How about this? It probably doesn't matter. The cloud could look way better though. Okay, I'll think about it. Good. What the fuck? What happened? Where did I place this guy? Huh? Eh? Oh, I can place him in between here. That's bad. That's really bad. You have an accent? Are you Korean? You think I'm Korean? Is that like trolling me? He's Chinese. Okay, bro. Alright, we're gonna switch over to Last Epoch now. I'm going to play the game until I die because Path of Exile releases on Friday. And I want to at least get as far as I can with the character. So, I'm gonna switch over to that now.